Hey guys, it's been a while. Nothing crazy to report today, but we do have something kind of cool. We have the first production harness from HarnessDr to install a Blu Ray player for front screen entertainment with the option of rear screen entertainment in our 2018 Sierra Denali Ultimate project truck. So we're going to get to work taking the bezel off here and getting the screen out and plugging this beautiful harness in. So before we start installing, I kind of wanted to show how beautiful this harness is. I know it sounds kind of silly to say a piece of wiring is beautiful, but literally every connection is marked exactly where it goes. You can't put it in wrong. It's idiot proof. And the butt connectors here are for the rear flip down screen should you choose to add it later. It's a no-brainer. It's even modular. Great job, HarnessDr. So we've got the trim off and the screws out of the face. Pay attention to the bottom of the trim between the IP switches here and the HVAC controls. The trim is very small. It's about a ½ inch thick, and there's 2 trim clips hiding in there. It'd probably be pretty easy to break that. Now we're going to pull the screen off and probably the radio. Got the faceplate and display off. 3 connectors, 2 on the display and 1 on the HVAC controls. And now we are pulling out the radio. We've got the old player out and the new player half in. Plug the harness into the existing plug from the CD player. I know it's hard to see. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here. And then the new harness into the Blu Ray player. And then we've got some LVDS cables here for the display and the rear seat add-on adapter as well. So we're going to get this in and get it going. I have removed the lower glove box on the passenger side. I am going to unplug the blue connector from the HMI and plug in the new blue connector supplied from HarnessDr and route it nicely into the open radio cavity while I have everything open. I know it looks horrible right now. I promise this is actually super easy so far. That blue connector right here is unplugged from my HMI. That blue wire is another plug running back into the radio cavity. Now we're going to plug that into the Blu Ray player and the other end of it into my screen, and then button it all back up and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we've got the glove box back in, and we've got the Blu Ray player in and the harness semi-routed. We're going to do the final routing here in a moment and put the screen back on and do some programming magic and get right back to you. We're back, and after a little programming magic, as you can see, we have video. Full factory integration in the front with the ability to add it to the rear. Just like normal, and my kids in theory should love this. Thanks again, HarnessDr. This thing is fantastic. Could not have been any easier. Making this video took longer than installing it, which is crazy. I think we had maybe 25 minutes in it. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Catch you next time.